Today it is a very important day for all of us. It is God's grace all of you have taken out your valuable time and coming together here for remembering a great soul who has dedicated his life to the whole of the country. Uh, as we are talking of values that today's youth can emulate from Dr. Kalam, it is values that have connected me with Dr. Kalam. From last about 40 years, I have been doing research on the hypothesis that values are not taught, values are caught. And Usmania University has given PhD on that. And that has gone into the hands of the then President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji. And then I have written a book called as Kalam's Call to the Nation, how Dr. Kalam ji has got values from his mother, father, teachers, and friends. After seeing that book, then he called me on phone on 18th January 2003. And from that phone call onwards, it was God's grace that we have been so intimately connected till almost his 2 days before his death. He called me on phone. So that was the intimacy. Now coming back to talk about the values, this Balabharati Shikshana Samiti transferred as the students got into adolescents and adults, then lead programs we have been conducting. When I got connected with Dr. Kalamji, he gave me his research of India 2020, a vision for new millennium. And he has also given a task to identify the gaps in education system. And when I submitted the report, my research of Lead India and his research of India 2020 put together, we called it as Lead India 2020. Then he inspired me to establish a NGO that was Lead India 2020 Foundation, and the model was called as Acharya Kalam Affirmative Model, filling the gaps in the education system. The training module was called as Aap Badho Desh Ko Padhao, setting personal goals and national goals. That is how our journey has started. And on this day, to remember him, I really become emotional because on 22nd July 2007, when he, on the day of his farewell, he called me as a special invitee and he took me to the Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh ji, and cabinet ministers and whole of the country introduced me as a founder of the Lead India 2020 Foundation. And he also shared his experiences and shared how the values are being inculcated, how the students are becoming the change agents, changing themselves, changing their families, changing their communities. That is how he has experimented like a scientist. He has written letters to the collectors and the education department to go and analyze the impact of this training program. I am thankful. I remember B. Venkatesham, IAS at the time collector of Medak. He has written a letter to the Prime Minister, to the President in turn, that this program is bringing an internal change in the talking, walking, and the behavior of the students like that. And after that, Dr. Kalamji himself called the students and the commissioners, commissioner, principals to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. He verified himself, and that is how he continued us to scale up the program from 6,000 to 25,000 to 1 lakh per district. That is how he gave his calendar open to his secretaries, and he has given all the support to all of us. But for his support today, we would not have trained more than about 18 lakh students. Now, it is a turning point. We are all passing through the year 2020, which he dreamt India 2020. Now, all of us have got a responsibility. What is that we all can do? So here in the draft education policy of India 2019, we have submitted a report how values can be integrated with the education. Now all that, it is the Lead India Foundation that is revamping and changing this organization into a corporate, a non-profit corporate to train 10 crore students of government school students who are from the BPL families. So India, after 73 years of independence, also almost 3.5 out of 10 are below poverty line. So we are all giving to solve the poverty. We are all giving some subsidies and some schemes, etc. That is all nothing but giving a fish to eat. But Lead India is teaching how to fish. So how all of you can take together, and at this moment of time, without taking much of your time, Dr. Kalamji introduced me to the whole of the country in his last presidential remarks. You will be seeing the video, and that is how now he declared that this is the second national movement at one point of time. At another point of time, he declared that this is the proven and tested national youth movement. Having declared so much, how all of us and the whole of the country, they take government, education departments, corporations, NGOs, NRIs, all of them are doing their best, but they are doing in a watertight compartment. How all of us, for the sake of the country, we can unite, bring them under one umbrella for the sake of the youth of India, for the sake of the India, to make it as a global leader. This is the vision and mission of Dr. Kalamji to achieve developed India. That is how all of us together, I'm very happy that so many allied people who have been helping this movement from continuously. There are so many panelists, they are going to share their experiences, and all of us, let us consolidate their experiences and support, and take it to the next generations to come beyond 2020, to fulfill the values and skills of Dr. Kalamji, to make India a Vishwaguru, developed global leader. Thank you very much. Lead India, lead India, lead India.